So I did a thing, and I already opened it because I wanted to check if, you know, everything was there. To be honest, I got a little excited, but here it is. I bought all new radiator stuff. You know, I've got the, I mean everything. You know, got the actual radiator, fans, and hoses. I went a little overboard. I'm gonna be honest with you. Let's actually completely open it up, and then let's put the fan onto the radiator so I can move it around easier, you know, because I do have to take it outside. And I just want to make this easier on myself because I'm lazy. So, got the hoses first. You know, I did already cut the tape. It's got all the special stuff. I went with black because I don't want it to look like pool noodles inside the engine bay. You know, keep it subtle, but enough to know it actually says, you know, what I bought. And I'm also realizing that I'm gonna have to reuse hardware, which I'm not mad about. It's just an inconvenience. But we're not gonna bash Mishimoto. You know, there's some high quality stuff. You know, like has multiple ridges in it. You know what I'm saying?
Don't let your kids watch it.
Nice and pretty. That's a fucking thumbtack. I almost stepped on that. Would you just look at that? Just look at this. Oh! No, I'm not even gonna worry about that. I'm not even gonna worry about that. Just gonna. This thing's nice. Alright. Got a nice little, comes with a radiator cap, measured for about 19 pounds. How do you take it off?
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh, you keep going? Ah, okay, cool. It looks like a radiator. Oh, this is a pretty cool cap. It might have been Chris. I don't know if you guys heard that, but my friend Chris might have drove by with his ST popping off, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Well, it comes with a
Why are you gay?
wow. Comes with an air freshener. That's pretty sick. This is about to get epic. Oh, it's upside down. Now that is epic. Nice and mint. Just realized that I'm gonna have to use hardware for this, and I am missing a 1 bolt on the stock fan, but that's not gonna stop me. That's not gonna deter me. Is it gonna be held on by 1 bolt? Yes. Am I gonna care? No, not at all. What I'm getting at is, I don't know. Aww. Man, okay, well, that kind of blows a little bit. So in this fan, that has a little clip, you know, to hold that in. But on this one, it broke. So that kind of sucks. And I'm not gonna let that deter me either, because how this goes in is like that. Because it, that's a little embarrassing. Come on, babe. Okay, so I will say that this fan is meant for a 350. Not a Dodge G35. But it's cool, so I got it. And the platforms aren't that much different, you know what I'm saying? But it just will need a little finessing. Go all the way into these little tabs that it's supposed to have the stock frame, which yeah, but you know what? It's fine. It's down here, and then we got this bad puppy right here that just goes right into there. So as I was putting everything away, I noticed that it had like, you know, it had this foam stuff in it. I can't open anything. I used my teeth for that one. Yeah, it has this foam stuff. You know, this foam padding, and I want to say that it go. I don't know. I feel like it goes around the edge around this to like make it so it doesn't, you know, against the frame. See, I don't know, but if it is, that'd be pretty sick, you know. Boxes. Oh, it gave me. Did it give me another air freshener? I didn't see this one. Let's take a gander. It did. I got two of them. I swear. You know what? No, I was gonna open it and get a little smell test, but I was a little afraid. No, nothing fancy besides that, you know. Hardware would have been nice, but it's asking a little bit too much. Wait. I am mistaken. They do actually come with some. Well, I'm staring at it. I do not have Allen keys. Cool. Neat. Yeah, so it has, you know, bolts, you know, some washers, you know, pretty sick, pretty tight, you know. You know, just your average Joe stuff. Usually these kind of things come with, you know, washers and stuff. You know how it be. Now let's just try putting these in by hand for now. Put it all together. Somehow. Don't do that. You know, it's a fitment issue, right? We all knew that was gonna happen. You know, the hole's there, right? You know, just needs to go down just slightly. It's stuck too. You know what? I'm gonna grab an Allen key. I'll be right back. Praying they do. And bingo was his name-o. Let's go, baby. So my problem is that it's there, but it's not there enough for this bolt to actually thread in. Watch that I say that now. Okay, cool. I think that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Yes! The other one. That's how it be. Unless I'm so good that the other one will fit too. Yeah. Ain't going nowhere, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now it's ready to put on the car. Okay, we got everything outside. Next thing up is we just have to drain it. So, first things first, we're gonna pop this off for the intake. Take this out, plus the actual filter. After we drain everything, take this hose off, this hose, that, and then a bunch of stuff underneath. So, let's get cracking, baby girl. Hopefully we don't have to jack up the actual car for this portion. Right about there, that right there is our drain plug, which is underneath the car. So let me try doing this without jacking up the car, because if you can, that'd be fucking cool. And we'll get back to it. Turns out I did have to jack up my car because I can't get my fat ass head in here. Okay. Oh, we go. The radiator up top is being held up by these locking bolts, or locking things. Put this on the ground. Like that. Get them out of the way. Don't need that anymore. Wait till that fully drains out before we decide to take this one off and the rest of them. So we do have to remove this hose right here. There's just some built up stuff in there, so let's get that removed. I checked the weather before, I started everything, and said it was nice. It was gonna be a nice day, Below 50, but above 30. I'm always happy about that. Yeah, it's windy, and so I'm cold. You're probably hearing it.
Oh no, he's hot!
So that one we just took off down there is connected all the way up here. It goes all the way down and connects right there. So I thought it would be back further, but no, that's right there. That's actually pretty sick. Plus that one, plus these two, and then this one. But yeah. If anything, let's get this bolt off. I'm gonna try getting this done as possible, as quick as possible, because it is cold, which is today. I will admit that. Got the power tools, because fuck. Bro, it is windy as shit.
What the hell?
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, anyways, old fan shroud out. Now we have so much room for activities, it's insane. I thought I picked a good day. I really did. Really did think I picked a good day. Yes, oh damn, big strong man. Big strong boy is who I am. That was a fucking Ford Ranger.
Motherfucking son of a gun! Motherfucking Ford Ranger!
Damn, bitch! I'm about to cut this shit. On God. I'm cutting it. Hose can't fight me. It's broken in. Maybe that's why it would come off, but that's gross.
Be gone, foul beast. It's for it is you that has been slain.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, that was encrusted on there. Like your mom's pussy, I guess. I don't know. Alright. All the hoses are off, except these bottom ones, which I don't know where they go to be honest. I'm scared to pull them off. Hopefully it's cooling. Hopefully it's cooling that comes out. God damn it.
What is that? Oh shit! What is that?
Oh, is the oh, okay. I'm literally talking to myself. Like you guys, yeah, I'm talking to like you guys, but no one else is here with me. I'm literally rambling to myself. Like if no one saw the camera and the tripod up, like people would think I'm insane. Moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for...
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
With, don't mind the actual, you know, fans, but that is the difference. That is the difference. Yeah, pretty substantial. You've literally been watching me struggle for the past like hour and a half. Sorry, 7 minutes. Oh, fucking Christ. I'm just really dumb. I just had to... This has made me rethink my life and my life decisions. My back hurts, but I'm taking this as a victory, and this is my victory lap right here. Putting it all together. This is the fun part, ladies and gentlemen.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, I cut myself pretty good there with the fucking hose clamps. Fuck! Ah, shit. Second. God damn it, that fucking hurt. Look at that.
Nice.
That's pretty fucking good. That's a good cut. Hands all patched up. I'm gonna get this done with. This camera's about to die. I want to get this all finished, and so I'll hit you back when it's done. Everything's all buttoned up. I did have to use these kind of hose clamps because the hose clamps on the car were too big or too small. I mean, because silicone hoses are just that much thicker, and so it just was a pain to actually put on. So now we're just gonna add coolant to it and we'll let it bleed. Bitch is gulping. That's what your mom's pussy sounded like. Okay, stop going down, so I'm gonna turn the car on and let it all the bubbles seep out of it. You can hear the fans kick on right now. It's not really cool. Alright, so everything's all bled. I just quickly ran through it because my camera's about to die. It's looking nice and clean in here. You know, a little mess with the bleeding, but it's fine. You know, hoses are all tightened up, full of liquid. Looks great. But that's going to be all for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
That boy is Benny
Pull up on your boy like another knife, yeah. It's a knife, yeah. It's a knife, yeah.